Hi guys, how can you create a foggy blur design effect in Photoshop? First, press Ctrl plus J twice to create two duplicate copies of your image. Convert both duplicated layers into smart objects. Now select the first smart object layer. Go to Filter Blur Gaussian Blur. Set the radius to around 12.5 pixels, then click OK. Choose the rectangle tool and draw a vertical rectangle where you want the foggy blur effect. Adjust it from the corners. Set both the fill and stroke colors to white. Next, select the layer 1 copy and create a clipping mask so it clips inside the rectangle. Now select rectangle. Go to layer style. Open stroke node the setting. Finally, add any text you like to complete your poster or social media design. And that's it. Before a normal image, after a modern foggy blur design effect with a clean, stylish look. That's how you can create a foggy blur design effect in Photoshop.